I think. All right, here we go.
All right, the name of the lesson today is the number roll. The number roll. This is a station where we are putting the supplies that you will need for the number roll. In the station, there are two trays that are exactly the same. They have paper clips, rubber bands. So if you don't watch, it might be hard for you to do this work. There's an eraser, tape, and you probably have your own scissors and your own pencil in your box. When you come here, you need to find your pen. The pens are very small. We couldn't write your whole name. So Mina put S-R, somebody's initial. Whose initial is S-R, right? And then C-O, C, S-S, very good. So
Yeah, don't take somebody else's. That's not yours.
if you're not sure, you can ask for help. This morning, I used Kathleen's. I used Kathleen's pen. It says KF for Kathleen Frericks. You also will have a cup that has your name. Like this one says Arush. This one says Kathleen. So if I'm Kathleen, I have to look for the one that says my initials and a cup that says my first name. Okay? When you actually bring, do you have one for you or?
I do. That one says Mina. There should be one that says MP. Maybe not. I can't remember. I thought there was one that said MP, but
You can choose mine. Am I crazy?
I may not have. I thought it was in a separate. Yeah. Who knows? Too odd.
That's the morning.
Here it is. It was stuck in the bottom.
Okay. So I will use Mina's. I will leave this in the
Give this to
morning.
you.
I will put.
And here's.
So if I need to take Mina's cup.
Here, you want to put those in? Oh, you got it. You're good.
So this is Mina's. This is Mina's cup. I also need only one of the papers that has one digit. Just one of those. So these are my supplies. I take them to my table. You don't stand at the station. You take your supplies.
Go over there, Arush.
Between them. Right.
No, further back. You can't sit next to them. You have to distance. There you go.
So the first thing is I need to write the numbers. I need my table, so I'm going to go ahead and write and then I'll show you. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I am not going to write 10 here because 10 is a 2-digit number. There's a 1, 10, and 0 units, right? So 10 needs to go on a paper that looks like this. I need to put some tape. Tape those papers together. Can you see that? Yeah. All right, and then over here I will write 10.
Nope, not 20. 11.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I'm running out of space, so I need to tape one more, right? I don't need a whole lot, just
A
small
little piece of tape.
Can you guys see? 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. If I wanted to continue and I have to get up, what kind of paper would I get? Just two.
Just
Because I
two.
have to say 30, 31, 32. If I choose to stop, only the very first time you have to start your roll. That's why we call this the number roll.
Yeah. Pay attention so that you can do this by yourself.
So I have a piece of tape, and I'm taping the end, or actually the beginning. Do you see how the numbers are facing out?
Yeah.
So when I roll, you can see the numbers, right? I don't have to undo it to see what number I'm at. That's what the clip is for.
Well, stuck together.
I take my clip and I clip this just to stay in place. Now when I want to, if I come back on Monday and I want to continue, I know exactly what number I'm at. I don't have to take it off, right? And then you can just start taping. You don't even have to touch this, right? I put it in my cup that says my name. And this goes on the bottom shelf. Shreya, can you take this over behind Mina? The morning has the top shelf, the afternoon has the bottom shelf.
Thank you.
When you're done, is my tray ready for the next person?
Yes.
Can you see that there are no trash? I don't you need to take 3 steps back. There's no trash on my tray. It's ready and clean for the next person, right? And when you're done, you need to put this back at the number roll station.
Okay.
Yes, Claudia?
What is the rubber bands for?
Sometimes the roll might get very thick, and we might need either
Rubber
rubber
band.
band or the clip.
Okay.